The manufacturing companies we work with produce high-quality goods for diverse sectors, including transport and logistics, pharmaceuticals, fast-moving consumer goods, automotive, and food processing. They tend to operate globally with large, complex supply chains, generating products ranging from raw materials all the way to finished products sold on the shop floor.
The manufacturing sector relies on very competent communication across their supply chains. Therefore, language skills are vital, especially conversational language skills, to ensure that their supply chains are optimized, the clients are kept happy, and ultimately their products are delivered on time.
One of the biggest challenges we are hearing from our manufacturing clients is delivering high-quality, measurable and consistent learning programs across the diverse spectrum of their employees. Our platform uses innovative technology and quality teaching to provide personalized language learning at scale and across geographically dispersed teams.
Busoo's flexibility comes from the fact that it's a mobile-first platform, and this means that learners can access quality learning opportunities, whether that's self-paced or with qualified teachers, whenever and wherever they are.
Busoo's ability to quickly create industry and skill-specific content allows us to provide even more value to our manufacturing clients. Some examples include industry-specific pharmaceuticals and automotive courses, as well as intercultural communication and management courses.
In the manufacturing sector, our clients have very diverse workforces, whether that be linguistically, culturally, or socially. What language learning does is allows people across the business to confidently communicate, collaborate, and create meaningful relationships to allow them to excel in their careers. One of our key successes in the manufacturing sector has been with Alstom, the rolling stock manufacturer. We have seen over 50,000 hours of learning since they've become a client, with over 4,000 certificates obtained across a range of different levels, demonstrating the progress that employees have been making, but also the fact that Busuu has engaged thousands of employees. We work closely with L'Oreal in the cosmetics manufacturing sector. We are helping them deliver a language learning program that is going to help a diverse set of employees across the globe communicate more confidently with each other.